This one AI-generated video made over $139,000 from TikTok Shop affiliate, and it only takes about 15 minutes to create a video just like this one. If you're new to TikTok Shop affiliate, it's a method for creators to earn money on TikTok. Basically, you produce content showcasing a product from TikTok Shop, and if a viewer clicks on the product link in your video and makes a purchase, TikTok pays you a commission. Right now, people are earning thousands of dollars daily, and some are not even making the videos themselves, they're using AI to create them completely. So first of all, let me show you how people are rocking on TikTok and how they skyrocket their earnings. So this is the website called Calodata, which gives the insights of TikTok affiliate shop. Here you can find the best-selling products and the creators who are promoting them. So let me select the first product, and as you can see, this product has generated over $1.2 million in the last 7 days. And what shocked me, guys, is the creators who are promoting this product. As you can see, this creator has only 13,000 followers and has made over $177,000 in just 7 days by promoting this product. Another one has 10,000 followers and earned over $130,000 in weight. This is the most shocking part. As you can see, this creator has only 900 followers and has made over $20,000 in just 7 days. And this is the secret of this video, where I will show you how they are rocking on TikTok as a complete beginner and without having any followers. They are just using AI to create the entire video in a few minutes. And as you all are my friends, guys, that's why I will give you a bonus AI tool and a secret and guaranteed strategy to reach $30,000 in 1 or 2 months at the end of this video. So keep watching all the way to the end so that you can utilize it correctly. If you see the videos they make are completely a combination of AI-generated images and AI voiceovers. Now we are going to do the same with a single click of a button. So the product we will promote is this beauty supplement, and accordingly we will create the video. And to do this, come over to this AI video creator called InVideo AI and create your free account. Now select this Explore All and then click on TikTok video option. Our product is on beauty niche, so I will write create a step-by-step video showing how to create a DIY skincare routine at home using natural ingredients. And in the settings, you can select the voice of male or female, then select the voice type, and I am going to select Clear American Voice. And for subtitles, I will select bold subtitle with popping effect, and then click on this continue button. And here is the magic, guys, it will create the entire TikTok video in less than a minute, including stock videos, voiceover, background music, and popping subtitles on video. And this is the fully generated video. But it's not done, friends. As you know that we are promoting a product, so what we will do is click on this edit option here, then select edit media. And what we will do is select any one part of the script and write something about the product. You can get idea from other TikTok videos who are promoting this product, and you can simply write the same thing they said on their video about the product, but make sure it should not be very long. Now replace the scene of this part with the product video, and to do this you can go to YouTube or TikTok and then download a video showing the product, then upload that video by clicking here, and replace this part of the scene with the product's video. And now finally export the video on your device. But wait, now in bonus one, I'm going to show you my secret roadmap by which you can reach $30,000 in 1 or 2 months using this method. So you have to create 3 videos daily, and it will require only 15 to 20 minutes per video, guys. And if you use the bonus AI tool, then it only needs 5 minutes and it will take only 2.5 hours in 1 month. And then upload 3 videos daily. In 1 month your account will have 90 videos uploaded. And let's suppose your average views per video is 2,000, which is very low as compared to the views you will get, because I am just counting it for an example, so let it count this amount. So the total views of the month will be 190,000, and suppose only 1% of the viewers purchase the product, which pays you $16 commission for each sale, then your earning will be $30,400 in a single month, which is very easy to achieve if you correctly utilize this method. I have just shown you this for an example, friends. You can really make more money than the amount I have shown, but it requires your consistency and determination.